Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener. You know where I'm at. I'm up at the stores shopping around, looking at stuff, dealing with gardening. And again, it's cold up here in Maryland. I'm just looking around to see what type of items are the stores carrying this year. Now, it's still early, but what do they know about us as shoppers? Are they trying to have things on the shelves that we will buy? Now, these here are some kind of collard greens. I can see that. Nope, cauliflower, excuse me, but still in the same family. And here, broccoli. Now, let's see now. One single plant. Let's see how much it is. Oh, okay, here it is. Vegetables, let's see, $5.48. That's per unit. And then they got some larger pots up here that are a bit more, like $9. Well, you see the prices there. I'll just hold that on there so you can see them. And then we got the, cabbage. Early Jersey Wakefield. And that's a cabbage, and that's an heirloom. I got some in the house right now. Then I started from seeds. I got some collard greens in the house. I started from seed. You got this assorted, what do we call this? Lettuce. Okay. That's $14 for that. $14. Then you got some dill here. See that little bit right there? A little bit right there. See what it costs? They're not playing with none of us. They're making their money mint because you don't have it. $14 and look at that. That's mint. You can grow that from seed. You can grow that from seed with some. Whoa! Look at that parsley. I got started some of that. Man, that's $15. You might as well say. Then you got your rosemary of different kinds. A rosemary over here, $5.48. Collards. And you should see what I did. I got mine. They roll the spinach. I got some spinach growing in the house. All that stuff is, and people are going to buy this, and they're going to pay premium prices for it. Like these peach trees here. Now, I could use another peach tree because they don't live that long. About 20 years they'll produce. Then after that, you got to get rid of them. Put a fresh one in. And these are how much? $69.98 per unit. And we have some patio. And we go over here to the apple trees. And where they're blowing around, you can't see them, but they are apples. That's a Fuji right there. I paid $25 for mine. That's what these cost. Roses. I got a couple at the house I'm trying to bring back to life. It's no big deal. Give them that good old compost. And that's it. But these right here look very healthy. Got some dieback. And we got some blueberries. $16 a container. Blueberries. You got the high bush and the low bush. Blueberries. I had a friend of mine. She talks to me sometime and she wants to challenge my knowledge on how to grow this stuff. And, she got some good ideas, but I do this, and that's all there is to it. I do this. This is all I do. Some people do it, only when spring comes around. I live this. I dream about it. I wake up. This is what I do. They had a church in my community that wanted to ask me to help them to put in a community farm behind the church. I told them, sure, you let me know when, and you follow what I ask you to do. I'm going to keep the cost down, and I said, and you'll have a garden you'll be proud of. Never took place because once the food prices at one point dipped a little bit, then everybody forgot about it. But now the prices are going higher now. People are complaining of cost of food, where the food coming from, what's in the food, and they're tired of it. So sometimes they will get into it and start growing this stuff. If I do put any more trees on my property, it'll be some more apple trees. Now let's see if Home Depot's open down here. I thought they were open. They just closed up. I'm gonna go in the front entrance. All right, good people, this has been the Morning Gardening Show. Remember, check me out at night. Subscribe to my channel. That way you get updates when I go online.